Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Diagnosing and addressing reverse gear problems in an ape, piaggio, auto gearbox with code examples, simulation. While directly interacting with a physical ape, piaggio, auto gearbox via code isn't feasible without specialized hardware and a custom-built interface. We can create a simulated environment to understand the diagnostics and potential solutions for a reverse gear issue. This tutorial will cover 1. Understanding the ape auto gearbox *, a brief overview of the components and operation relevant to reverse gear. 2. Common reverse gear problems *, identifying potential causes of reverse gear malfunction. 3. Diagnostic process, simulated, creating a simulated environment and running diagnostics to pinpoint the fault. 4. Code examples, Python, implementing Python code to simulate the gearbox, sensor readings, and diagnostic logic. 5. Potential solutions, simulated, demonstrating how code can model various solutions based on diagnostic findings. 6. Limitations and real-world considerations *, acknowledging the difference between a simulation and a real mechanical system. 1. Understanding the ape auto gearbox, simplified. The ape auto gearbox, like many automatic transmissions, relies on a system of hydraulic system * pressurized fluid, transmission oil, actuates clutches and bands to engage different gears. Valve body * a complex hydraulic control unit that directs fluid flow based on driver input and sensor data. Solenoids, electrically controlled valves, within the valve body are crucial. Sensors * speed sensors, input shaft, output shaft, temperature sensors, and potentially position sensors related to the shift lever position. Controller, ECU/TCU, an electronic control unit, transmission control unit, processes sensor data and controls the solenoids in the valve body to shift gears. Reverse gear mechanism * typically, reverse gear is engaged by a specific set of clutches and or bands activated by the hydraulic system under the control of the TCU. For simplicity, we'll focus on the critical elements for reverse gear operation in our simulation. 2. Common reverse gear problems. When reverse gear doesn't engage or engages weakly, common causes include low transmission fluid * insufficient fluid pressure to actuate the reverse gear clutches / bands. Worn or contaminated transmission fluid * fluid loses its viscosity and ability to transmit pressure effectively. Debris can clog valve body passages. Faulty solenoid, reverse gear solenoid. The solenoid that controls the hydraulic circuit for reverse gear might be failing or stuck. Worn reverse gear clutches / bands * the friction material on the clutches or bands has worn down, causing slippage. Valve body issues * clogged passages, sticking valves, or internal leaks in the valve body can prevent proper hydraulic pressure to the reverse gear mechanism. Sensor failure * a faulty sensor providing incorrect information to the TCU can prevent the engagement of reverse. Example: shift lever position sensor. TCU issue * less common, but a faulty TCU could incorrectly command the solenoids. Mechanical damage * rare, but damage to the gears themselves is a possibility. 3. Diagnostic process, simulated. Our simulated diagnostic process will involve 1. Checking fluid level and condition * simulate visually inspecting the fluid level and color. 2. Reading sensor data * simulate reading data from sensors, shift lever position, speed sensors. 3. Solenoid test * simulate activating the reverse gear solenoid and checking for a response. 4. Pressure test, simulated inferring hydraulic pressure based on sensor data and solenoid activation. 5. Troubleshooting based on data analysis. 4. Code examples, Python. Explanation of the code asterisk. Asterisk ape gearbox class asterisk represents the simulated gearbox. Asterisk underscore underscore init underscore underscore asterisk initializes the gearbox with default values for sensor readings and component health. Asterisk read underscore sensor underscore data asterisk returns a dictionary containing the simulated sensor data. Asterisk set underscore shift underscore lever asterisk simulates moving the shift lever. Includes logic for a faulty sensor that returns an incorrect position. Asterisk activate underscore reverse underscore solenoid asterisk simulates activating the reverse gear solenoid and models a pressure increase if it works. Asterisk simulate underscore reverse underscore gear underscore engagement asterisk simulates the physical engagement of reverse, based on the shift lever position, solenoid status, and the simulated condition of the clutches. Returns true if successful, false otherwise. Asterisk set underscore fault asterisk simulates injecting faults into the system, example a faulty solenoid, low fluid. Asterisk diagnostic underscore procedure asterisk this is the core function. It simulates the steps a mechanic would take to diagnose the problem, reading sensor data, activating the solenoid, and analyzing the results. Asterisk example usage, if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore colon, demonstrates how to create a gearbox object, inject faults, and run the diagnostic procedure. 5. Potential solutions, simulated. The diagnostic underscore procedure in the code already suggests potential solutions based on the identified fault. Here's a breakdown of what these solutions would involve in a real-world scenario and how they're reflected in the simulation. Asterisk low transmission fluid asterisk. Asterisk real world asterisk top up the transmission fluid to the correct level. Check for leaks. Asterisk simulation asterisk setting gearbox.fluid underscore level equals OK after topping up. Asterisk contaminated transmission fluid asterisk. Asterisk real world asterisk drain and flush the transmission. Replace the filter and refill with fresh fluid. Asterisk simulation asterisk setting gearbox.fluid underscore condition equals good after a simulated flush. Asterisk faulty reverse solenoid asterisk. Asterisk real world asterisk replace the reverse gear solenoid. Asterisk simulation asterisk setting gearbox.reverse underscore solenoid underscore functional equals true after a simulated replacement. Asterisk worn reverse gear clutches slash bands asterisk. Asterisk real world asterisk this usually requires a transmission rebuild or replacement. Asterisk simulation asterisk setting gearbox.clutch underscore condition equals good after a simulated rebuild or replacement. Note, the simulation simplifies this considerably. Asterisk valve body issues asterisk. Asterisk real world asterisk the valve body may need to be cleaned, rebuilt, or replaced. Asterisk simulation asterisk setting gearbox.valve underscore body underscore condition equals OK and gearbox.valve underscore body underscore functional equals true after a simulated repair. Asterisk shift lever position sensor fault asterisk. Asterisk real world asterisk replace the shift lever position sensor. Asterisk simulation asterisk setting gearbox.shift underscore lever underscore sensor underscore functional equals true. Important considerations for simulation asterisk. Asterisk simplified model asterisk the simulation simplifies complex hydraulic and mechanical systems. Real-world transmissions have numerous valves, passages, and interactions. Asterisk inferred pressure asterisk hydraulic pressure is inferred based on the solenoid status. A real system would require a pressure gauge connected to specific test ports on the transmission. Asterisk abstractions asterisk concepts like clutch wear are highly abstract. The simulation uses a simple good or warn state. Asterisk no feedback loops. Asterisk the simulation lacks real-time feedback loops. A real TCU constantly adjusts solenoid duty cycles based on sensor inputs. Asterisk mechanical wear. Asterisk real-world component wear is complex and depends on operating conditions, maintenance, and driving style. 6. Limitations and real-world considerations. This simulation is a valuable educational tool for understanding the concepts involved in diagnosing a reverse gear problem. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations. Asterisk real-world complexity. Asterisk the actual operation of an automatic transmission is far more complex than can be easily simulated. Hydraulic circuits are intricate. Asterisk diagnostic equipment. Asterisk in the real world, you would use specialized diagnostic tools. Asterisk transmission fluid pressure gauge. Asterisk to measure actual hydraulic pressure. Asterisk multimeter. Asterisk to check solenoid resistance and voltage. Asterisk scan tool. Asterisk to read DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes, from the TCU, which can provide valuable clues. Asterisk mechanical inspection. Asterisk a thorough visual inspection of the transmission and its components is essential in real-world diagnostics. Asterisk safety. Asterisk working on a transmission involves safety precautions, example proper support, eye protection, handling fluids. Going further, expanding the simulation. Asterisk more realistic sensor data. Asterisk introduce noise and variations in sensor readings to make the simulation more challenging. Asterisk duty cycle simulation. Asterisk model the solenoid activation as a PWM, pulse width modulation, signal, duty cycle, to control pressure more precisely. Asterisk temperature effects. Asterisk incorporate temperature sensors and simulate how temperature affects fluid viscosity and performance. Asterisk diagnostic trouble codes. DTCs add a system for generating and reading simulated DTCs. Asterisk more detailed valve body model. Asterisk simulate individual valves and passages within the valve body. This comprehensive tutorial provides a starting point for exploring the diagnosis of reverse gear problems in an Ape Auto gearbox using a simulated environment. Remember that this is a simplified representation, and real-world troubleshooting requires practical experience, specialized tools, and a thorough understanding of automotive mechanics. Good luck.